glow ups, welcome back to the channel. Now for today's video, we're going to be talking about something that is essential for everyday living, and that is getting a good night's rest. So for this video, I am going to be showing you a sponsored items while we talk about something just simple as having a good night's sleep. Once again, we are back, you guys. Now, as I told you earlier, with the hustle and bustle of everyday living, especially right here at this end of this year, Christmas time, we need a good night rest. Are you tired of waking up with back pains, neck pains? When you get up, you're sore and stiff. Typically, it's because it is a mattress issue. So, with that being said, I'm going to bring you today's sponsorship, which is Ablyea, and I did receive their 12-inch foam queen size mattress. It's the reason why we're in TT's room. One thing about Ablyea, you guys, they do believe in giving you everyday comfort along with quality. They typically ship within 3 to 5 days after your order. And also, here's the kicker, you guys. They do a 365-day or a 1-year trial run with their mattress. So, if that is not reason enough to give this company a try, I don't know what is. You heard me right. They give you 1 full year as a trial period for you to sleep on the mattress. We're going to go ahead and get this mattress set up on the bed, and me and TT are going to give you some of the perks of it all. That was heavy. That was heavy. Wow. So, what we're going to do now, you guys, is we're going to take it out the box, set it up. Inside of the package comes this little pack that says don't go to sleep yet. Your new mattress is not fireproof. And it also comes with your hybrid. You guys, this is a hybrid mattress. I don't know if I said that earlier, but it is a hybrid mattress. Here are the instructions. And you guys, pulling out these heavy mattresses solo is a job. But, you know, I'm on my Living Alone series. But, we're going to still make it work. As you can see, this hybrid mattress is still gives you the illusion that it's still pillow top style, but we are going to let it fully fluff in 24 hours. As you can see, you guys, it does looks to be like it's a pillow top, but we do know this is that hybrid mattress. This is that queen size, and she is looking fabulous. I will tell you, once you hit that plastic and release that air seal, it sounds like a whistle, you guys, kind of going off, but that thing will start to inflate. But it's still super easy to get the plastic off once it starts to inflate, and it inflates fairly quickly. But this thing was super heavy. So far, you guys, it is quite comfortable. I think me and TT is going to sleep on this mattress tonight. Then I'll come back tomorrow and let you know how well I rest. Because like I told you guys, typically back pain, neck pains, getting up and you're still overall stiff and sluggish. It's like you rested, but you didn't fully rest. It typically, you guys, is your mattress. So, Ablyea, so far, you guys, I am going to rate this a 12 out of 10 because, and typically I'm a girl, I like a firm yet soft mattress. I want my mattress to be soft and snuggly, but too soft and snuggly because I don't like the feel of the enclosure. It feels well, but to me it doesn't sleep well with my body type. Your body type still makes a difference in what's comfortable to you, but I like that medium point between firm and softness. And I do feel thus far that I'm getting both with this mattress, and even sitting on it, I've been laying on it, you guys, because I know where my pressure points are in my own body. When I lay or sit, I can feel how the mattress is adjusting per my pressure points. So thus far I'm loving it, but we're going to come back on tomorrow and I'm going to give you my overall take on this hybrid mattress. Alright, you guys, we are back. Now, we have slept on TT's mattress for 2 days, you guys. And I'm going to tell you, it has been some of the most comfortable sleep in a long while. So, I'm going to put all of the information for this mattress down in that description box. Make sure you do click that link, go over and check it out. Like you say, if you're tired of getting up, aching with a sore neck and a back, you definitely need to change your mattress. And I'm going to tell you, this 12-inch hybrid mattress is a way to go. So with that being said, I thank Ablyea for sponsoring this portion or either this video. Click that link down in the description box. It costs you nothing to click on any of my links. You will just receive a small discount, and I receive a small commission as well. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm going to tell you, we're going to sleep good again tonight. We're getting ready to change TT bed out, so make sure you guys do stay tuned for that next upcoming video. Bye. Sleep well. Sleep well.